restaurant we have never tried. I got the aloo gobi.
And then I got the veggie korma.
Whew.
No utensils.
Fuck! Alright, so we got our forks, we got our water, and all that. I'm excited about this bread, to be honest.
It's so hot, it's like you can't even open your food.
Alright.
This shit looks so beautiful.
Let me see. Okay, we got it open. God damn. It's like a cauliflower, potatoes, and they put onions in there, so hopefully this shit don't taste like fucking onion.
Ooh, that's spicy as hell.
Spicy? She took one bite, she said, fuck.
Oh my god, I can't open it. Nick, help me.
Ooh, that is spicy as fuck. God damn.
Fuck, why do we always get the most spiciest
Woo.
fucking food?
They don't be playing about that fucking pepper, bro.
Yeah.
Oh. God damn.
A little heavy on the pepper, y'all.
I think I need to put my hair up for this shit. Hold on.
My stomach's gonna hurt.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This shit
You're damn near too spicy.
is hot. I could only eat it in increments. And like every bite I take. It's just getting hot.
The bread is safe.
Mm-hmm. The bread and the rice.
Yeah. For the video.
For the video! Ooh, ooh.
Okay. There we go. That makes sense. A little bit of spice with the cheese, because the cheese combats the spiciness. I can fuck with that.
You can fuck with it?
I can fuck with that.
Y'all, you already know. You already know.
I think I'm gonna throw
No! It takes another fucking. Why would you take another bite?
it. I love bread. Well, I mean, kind of, sort of, not really. I mean, our tummies are on fire. We served them good burps.
My stomach is on fire. Like,
Oh, it is, absolutely.
anything that's been stuck in there will be cleansed out by the end of the day.
Y'all, this shit right here is the work to the devil, though.
You don't like it?
Hell no.
Not even the potatoes?
That shit was so spicy.
No, this shit wasn't spicy at all.
Oh, yes, it was.
No.
I have
Maybe
no
that's why.
idea. I ate something and it burnt the fuck out my mouth.